What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay, you guys, we are on yet another aisle, and I'm seeing new items already. This is so cute. Dream Big by Jot. We also have goals. Super pretty with the silver foil flex. Looks like we have some new magnets this week. Lots of little notebooks. We have some new magnetic list pads. When it's dark, look for the stars. Courage above fear. It's a good day to be happy. Focus on the good. I really like that. We also have Focus on the Good. I really like that. Again, those are all magnetic. These are brand new. Look, you guys, we have the retractable erasers by Jot. This is definitely a first. Ooh, I'm always so tempted to get these. I just love pens so much, but I have a million pens at home. Put it back. No, put it back. We have the double-tipped markers. These are definitely brand new by Ink. The cello pens are still here. Let's go down the stationery aisle. So quiet in here, isn't it, you guys? The cute sticky notes. I love the pink and yellow. I saw someone on TikTok show the black sticky notes, and I've never seen the black sticky notes before. Ooh, I like the green too. The Pentel high polymer erasers and toppers are here. I think these are new as well. The little notebooks. We have even more list pads. We have Jot It Down. Now these are not magnetic. We have Busy Bee shopping list. We have today's goals. We have Squeeze the Day. What else? Another grocery list. We have To Do. Poster tack. This is my first time seeing this. Poster tack. Gator needs some of that for his stop motions. It's all in blue. If you have a kid that's into stop motions, this stuff works really good for stop motions. Poster board. I think these are new. This box looks really cute. Look at it. It's really sturdy too, you guys. This is a Sterilite. Sterilite is a nice brand. I'm not seeing any other colors. This is pretty though. Really pretty. It would be pretty for makeup, nail polish and stuff too. Okay, let's see what we have over here. Do we have new scissors? We do. New scissors. These are still here. They're so cute. The cute little pencils. We even have Fortune Kitty. Wow, you guys, this location has so much yarn. Look at this. So much. This is the most yarn I've seen in one store yet. They even have the Just Chenille. So we have regular worsted yarn and we have the Just Chenille. That's my first time seeing the chenille yarn. Do we have anything new over here? Pink foam letter stickers. I think those are new in pink. Hello Summer. Ooh. This is the location I was telling you about that had some fall decor. The leaves, those are 5 feet garlands, and the cotton pods. All the paint. Looks like they're starting to bring some of the popsicle sticks back. And this location has the shells. We also have the glass. The glass looks really cool. They're calling it sea glass. I love how it sounds. And then we also have these. This is what I have in my fish tank at home. They really make the fish tank sparkle. More of the cute. It's clean, it's dirty, his turn, her turn. Squeaky clean, her turn. One lonely wax melt burner, just one. I guess that's all this store has left of these. Those are so cute. Ooh, these are so pretty. So pretty. Look at these glasses. Do these go up and down? What? Look, you guys. They go over the glasses or they go up. Those are so cute. And the glasses are clear or they go like that. Those are adorable. I kind of love those. Those are cute. These ones look like this. They have a little bit of color. But all right, you guys, I'm about to start down the party aisle and the toy aisle, so definitely come back to the very next video. We have a lot of really, really cute things to look at. Oh my gosh. And a lot of new items too. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.